हमने 3 तारीख को एक कम्युनिकेशन किया था, my lord.
Not in Hindi.
My lord.
Aren't you an IAS officer?
Yes, my lord. I am.
You are not conversant with English language.
Yes, my lord.
Then why have you resorted to Hindi?
My lord, officer initiated.
We don't understand Hindi. We are not required to understand Hindi in a court.
Sorry, my lord. Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. I got the telephonic instruction.
You act on a telephonic instructions.
My lord, sometimes circumstances comes to, I have to work on telephonic conversation, my lord, because my farmers are suffering.
Circumstances is more important or more, you have their priority is more than a court's order.
No, my lord, that I have violated, my lord, that
You are admitting of violation.
No, my lord, that was my error of
You
judgment,
seek
my
proper
lord.
instructions. You have a counsel with you, senior counsel.
With your lordship's permission.
My lord.
See, we have not seen the affidavit, what you have stated.
Yes.
See, this is the contempt proceeding.
Served hardly 15
We
minutes back.
are contemplating whether to initiate contempt proceeding. We can inform you that unless your action is deliberate and intentional, then only we initiate. If you can make out a case that you have done it without understanding or without any intention, then we may not, we can drop this proceeding here, but your conduct.
No, my lord.
We have not seen the affidavit. Affidavit has been placed for us just now. 3-4 things have come up. There was an email
My lord.
of 6th, which was with regard to a general procurement policy. It was not in connection to the present tender, number 1. Number 2, the email was not marked to you. It was not sent to you. It was sent to the SPD, State Project Director. State Project Director gave an official communication on 10th.
Yeah.
You are admitting that.
Yes, my lord.
You say that some Baljit had given you a telephone instructions. You thought that it was circumstances which was very necessary. And on 6th itself, you issue the orders. There is an allegation on 6th you are on leave. You have said that you have cancelled the leave. There is also an allegation that 10th also you are on leave. The cancellation order is of 10th.
Yes, my lord.
What have you said of 10th?
My lord, entire proceeding not started on 6 itself, my lord. हमने 3 तारीख को एक कम्युनिकेशन किया था, my lord.
Not in Hindi.
My lord.
Aren't you an IAS officer?
Yes, my lord. I am.
You are not conversant with English language.
Yes, my lord.
Then why have you resorted to Hindi?
My lord, on 3rd of April, my lord, our assistant nodal officer initiated.
We don't understand Hindi. We are not required to understand Hindi in a court.
Sorry, my lord. My lord, on 3rd.
And yes, we would have understood if somebody else would have come, not from an IAS officer.
No, my lord, that apology, my lord. My lord, on 3rd of April, my lord, my assistant nodal officer initiated a note regarding we need to procure through alternate source of procurement. My lord, on the same day, my nodal officer also initiated. Then we have written to SPD Arya Society, my lord. हमारे को we need to procure from alternate source of alternate source, my lord. After that, my lord, SPD initiated proceedings and SPD communicated to the World Bank, my lord. And because OPIU is a part of Area Society, my lord, on behalf of Area Society, we are working, my lord. And our problem was that, my lord, in Area Society, we are procuring at different rate. And in Assam marketing, Assam Seed Corporation rate, my lord, that was different, my lord. And entire initiative was discussed with our senior officials also, my lord. Then it was decided, my lord, we have to approach to World Bank, and under World Bank policy, my lord, procurement policy, there is a provision, my lord. That's why we have moved this to World Bank, my lord. And when we got the email from World Bank, my lord, I have confirmed it to same time on the to Mr. Baljit also and SPD also. SPD is Mr. Akash Deep, my lord, and he
What is your statement that you have confirmed from the SPD?
Yes, my lord,
Where?
that is here written, my lord. I have written here, and he also confirmed, my lord. My lord, this is,
Now, giving all benefit of doubt to you, there was a stay order from this court.
My
Let there
lord,
be a communication from the World Bank or whichever bank. Will you act against an order of this court?
no, my lord.
Don't you think that it was at least incumbent upon you to seek leave of this court or
Yes.
inform this court?
Yes, my lord, it is, I have not understood that, my lord, that's why I have not approached, my
Mr.
lord.
Gyani, you're not a layman. Don't say that you have not understood the consequences.
My lord,
You have not undergone the training.
my lord,
Have you undergone the training or not?
yes, my lord.
You don't know the basic idea of a court proceeding.
My lord, I have I have gone through
It
the,
doesn't appear so.
my lord, it was not, my intention was not there, my lord. My lord,
Your bona fide is not coming out.
My lord, to kindly come to page
I'm not seeing
372.
any bona fide in your submission.
my lord,
That is the problem.
my lord, my
Otherwise,
lord.
we don't have so much of time. There are many other matters.
Yeah, understood, my lord.
We want you to be here in the court.
My
At
lord,
the same time, maintaining the dignity and majesty of the court is of paramount importance for us.
yes,
Otherwise, the system will go.
yes, my lord. My lord,
We need time to go by the affidavit. Yes, Chaudhary, we have not seen the affidavit.
And we would also like to file a reply.
You should have filed the affidavit at least yesterday. Give us the time. He may not be, we can absolve him of any liability. But we have to need some time to go through this affidavit. But Professor, what Mr. Chaudhary have shown, we're not
But,
too much.
Your Lordship
happy.
permits me, Madam. He has perhaps not been able to explain himself. May I just take 5 minutes of your Lordship?
No, we'll hear you if that it be. What is it? Just in 2 minutes, what is it?
My Lord, he really is a, my Lord, I'm not saying it only because he is my client. As an officer of the court, I am also interested in upholding the majesty of this honorable court, Madam.
That we know, that we have full confidence.
My Lord, if I may explain the situation. The one fact which has not been, even now he was unable to express, it is his lack of expressiveness. One basic fact which has not been brought to your Lordship's notice till now is, after extensive research, there are materials which I can place. In the state of Assam, 30th of April is the end date, the last date for maize seeds to be sown. Now, let us look at the sequence of events. On, my Lord, 10th of February, the first writ petition
I
is.
think you're going into the factual days.
I'm
Please don't address on the factual
no,
dispute.
no. I'm
We are
just.
not too much interested in what was
Even
the
I-
raising
I'm-
season, what
No,
is the sowing season.
I'm not.
What is the
I'm
urgency?
absolutely not entering into the merits. I will just place the orders, dates of the orders. My Lord. This fact has a relevance. That is why I pointed out, my Lord.
No, 30th may be the end. You come before this court, explain it to us.
Yes, he should
Take
have
an
done
order,
it in a
take the
different
leave,
way.
Go ahead.
Yes,
So what is this kind of thing?
in fact, my Lord,
There are two orders you may be aware of.
absolutely.
First, we had said that it
My Lord,
consider.
that is
consider
why.
this what? Consider with this disability of the petitioner. On the same ground, again, what is this kind of?
It was a
The
complete. my
intention
Lord,
from the very initiation appears to be to somehow.
I
give it to
appreciate.
somebody.
I absolutely appreciate. I have meticulously gone
We'll
through
have
each
to
of.
day after tomorrow.
My lord, fine.
You can file an affidavit by tomorrow.
Yes,
Tomorrow,
I will file tomorrow.
Mal.
or if
If
you
the
will say,
lordship's kind, can I
you will
take
say
it
on
to
Monday?
Maishma?
My Lord, next week, my Lord, because of my new assignment, I have some difficulty.
this is also a new assignment. Appearing for a LS contemner. You have not done so.
I'm sorry.
You have not done so. Appearing for an LS contemner. Have you ever appeared for an LS contemner?
I have.
You have.
That is why I would like to, my Lord, start off by tendering an unconditional apology. And I would have liked to place some facts which.
See, last time we had made it very clear. Unconditional apology means an apology which is a sincere apology.
It
It comes from the heart.
It is
Not
coming from.
by writing in the paper, piece of paper, place it before.
It
the
is
court.
coming from the heart.
Let us see
My Lord,
how sincere
fact,
it is.
How he became a victim of circumstances, that is what I wanted to place.
2nd of May, is it okay? Or you will not be there?
Well, next week, your lordship will kindly excuse
Oh,
me.
then day after tomorrow.
Day after. Day after.
Day after tomorrow is okay.
Well,
The Chaudhary, where is he?
He was, he has a.
I heard Sri K. Chorelan, senior counsel for the petitioner. Sri what is the full name of your client? A.L. Gyani. Anant Lal. Anant Lal. Sri Anant Lal Gyani, Director, Agriculture, is personally present pursuant to the order passed on the last occasion. He is also represented by Sri I. Chaudhary, Senior Counsel. Sri also heard Sri B. Chaudhary, Standing Counsel, Agriculture Department, whereas Sri U. K. Nair, Senior Counsel, has appeared for the
number 5.
number 5. Para. The it appears that the director has filed an affidavit. Pursuant to the last order, an affidavit was directed to be filed. Full stop. However, it appears that the affidavit has been filed by the Director, Agriculture, only today. Full stop. Para. In that view of the matter, this case for consideration on, or for further consideration on 28/8. Full stop. The Director, Agriculture, would remain personally present on the next date.